Want to record video from your webcam using VLC Media Player? VLC can access your computer's camera through its capture options. In this guide, I'll show you how to select your webcam, configure the video source, save the recording, and check the finished file. Let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player and select Media from the top menu. Then choose Open Capture Device. This is where VLC lets you select hardware sources such as a webcam or other supported capture device. In the Capture Device window, look for the Video Device section. Choose your webcam from the available device list. If your computer has more than one camera, make sure you select the one you actually want to record from. Next, choose an audio input if you want your recording to include sound. Select your webcam's microphone or another available recording device. If you don't need audio, you can leave the audio source disabled or unchanged. Before recording, click play to preview the camera feed. Check that your webcam is showing the correct picture and that the framing looks good. Yeah, this is a good time to adjust your camera position before you start. To save the webcam feed as a video file, open the menu next to the play button and select Convert. This takes you to VLC's conversion settings, where you can choose how the recording will be encoded. Under Profile, select a suitable video profile for the recording. Then click Browse and choose where you want to save the file. Enter a clear file name and make sure the extension matches the selected profile. So, check the destination before starting. Now click Start. VLC will begin capturing the webcam feed and saving it to the destination you selected. While it's recording, keep the VLC window running and avoid closing the application. When you're finished, click Stop. Open the destination folder and find your new video file. Play it back to check the picture and audio. And that's it, you've recorded a webcam video using VLC.